My Jeep seats are noisy because my bushings are worn out. You can replace these with 3D printed bushings. You can print them yourself. You can buy them on Amazon from various manufacturers. And it's 3 parts, and that's where they go on the Jeep seat. I found it impossible to install these with the seat in place, so I took the seats out, which is very easy on a Wrangler. There's 3 bolts that look like this, and in the back corner on the inside there's a Torx bolt. But that's it, there's 4 bolts, and the driver's seat has an electrical connector that just unplugs. So with the seats out and upside down, I am taking out the bolt first. The top bushing was so loose that I found I could shove a pair of wire cutters up underneath it, and it took a couple of cuts, but it came off relatively easily. So here are the replacement pieces. This one is ready to be split. I opened it halfway. You could actually take it apart, it doesn't matter. And you just put both sides around the stud. It was a little tight. I don't know if I screwed it up with the clippers or not, but it was a little tight getting it there, so I just took a pair of channel locks and squished it down. You can see the top come together. And then the larger piece just fits over the outside. Because it's 3D printed, it has some ridges, so I had to tap it on a little bit. The new bushing for the bolt just goes right over the bolt in the same direction that the old one was on it. So this was a pretty easy repair, and it fixed my seat problems. It's no longer squeaking, no longer rattling. It's a good kit.